Changing data from wide format to long format in Excel. So here we have a data set in wide format where we have petroleum items and then a variable, either quantity, price, and we have across the top here some dates. So if we want to change this to long format, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and select our table. So I'm going to choose the first cell in the table. Then I'm going to come down here and hold the Shift key and choose the last cell. So my entire table is selected. Then I'm going to go to the Data tab, and I have the Get and Transform Data section here. And I'm going to click this icon that says From Table Range. And then you see here that this little box comes up, and we want to create table. And if you have headers in your table, you want to make sure this little box is checked. And click OK. So it's going to open this new sheet here. And now if you want to change it to long form, where you have all crude oil first and then all petroleum products and then the dates for each, you're going to actually leave this first column unselected, and you're going to select the remaining columns. So we're going to go here, hold the Shift key, select this so that we have all of these columns selected. We're going to go to the Transform tab and hit Unpivot Columns. So you see what happened here now is we have crude oil, the attribute being the date, okay, and then we have the quantity. But there's a little bit of an issue with this, because if we scroll down here, we see now this changes to price, right? And then we come down here and we have quantity again for petroleum products, then price. So that's not really the best way to do this. So if we go back, if we go ahead and go back to the home key and load that, okay, we'll see that it puts that table in to the to an Excel spreadsheet. But again, we really don't want to have it where we have random headings in the middle of our data. So to help avoid that, what we can do is go back, take our table here, go to Data Transform, and instead of leaving off the first column, if we actually leave off the first two columns, so we're going to select the third column through the last. Okay, so leave off these two columns, go to Transform, Unpivot Columns. Now you can see what it did was it added another column here for what we're measuring, either the quantity or the price. And so now we have crude oil, quantity, date, and the amount. And then if we keep scrolling, now we have crude oil price, the date, and the amount. And this actually looks better because it avoids having those random headings in the middle of our data. So we'll go ahead and go back to the home, close and load, and now we have that table in long format.